Look, y'all, we got the new Chili's, the Big Dipper. Oh, it's heavy. Pressure. It's pressure. Look at that. Open the box. Look at that. Look. Oh, I know it look good. So we're gonna start off. This is the Chili's new Big Dipper. It comes with the sliders, the Nashville hot mozzarella sticks, and the honey chipotle tender. Let's try a little something right quick. See if we can get that cheese pull. Oh, wow. Look at that, amazing, like a yo-yo, bounce up and down. Ooh, look. What is it? Longest cheese pull I ever seen. A yo-yo. Hot. I'm gonna bust out that ranch. Okay, we're gonna try. Let's see how the burger hit. This is the sliders. Let's see. Now on the sliders. Now on them sliders, they're hitting 8 out of 10. Now let's bust that mozzarella stick out. They're Nashville hot, baby. Dump it, let's get another. Let's get that ranch. Let's get another cheese pour, let's see. Oh my God. Totally like a yo-yo. Now that Nashville hot, on deck, on point, a 9 out of 10. Now let's go to these honey chipotle wings.